In this video, we'll talk about the method to create a constant using const or define, and we'll show the differences as well. So we've got an array of size 30. We also ask the user to enter the name and store the user's entry into the variable name of size 30 using standard input, and this is all through the fgets function. And then we just greet the user with their name. So let's compile and run. Okay, so it's working fine. But if we wanted to say declare a constant of size 30, we can do that using constant keyword and integer size is equal to 30. So now what we can do is we can use this constant throughout our code. So this will still work exactly like it should. Okay, so then if we ever need to change our size, we can only do it at this point here. But keep in mind, because this is a constant, you can't really do something like that. So this gives us an error. Now, the thing about the constant is it's only visible within the scope. So it's only visible within this main function. If I write another function here to try and access size, this won't let me. So print size. Now this function doesn't return anything and it doesn't receive any arguments. Basically, I'm just doing this for debugging purposes. We just want to see size and try and print or trying to access the size from here. Next, what we need is to let our compiler know that we have this function. So we add the prototype at the top. And one more thing is to actually call this function here, but it won't let us compile. So if we try to compile this, we're getting an error here that's saying that size is undeclared. And that's because this size being declared as a constant is only visible within the main, within only this scope. So if you wanted to have the constant to be used across your program, you can use define. Now, define, not capital like that, is we can define our function at the top here. So use hash, keyword define, name of your variable and the value. So in this case, it's size of value 30. There is no need to put a semicolon. We also need to comment this out, and that should be it. But now we will, if we compile this, we should be able to have access to this size outside of the main. So now we get access to the size from outside of the main because we've used define. And that's the difference between const and define. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.